Today we have a very special home here for you. This massive villa that we're about to tour has 7 bedrooms, 8 bathrooms, a total of 8,578 square feet. It's located right on Fenton Lake, and make sure you stay to the end of the video because the backyard and the view alone is worth the $3 million.
I've got a cold-blood romance. It's beautiful the way it all comes undone. You can see the end from a distance. Pressure on my neck, rush of blood to the head. Oh, it's all been the same for me. Got me on my knees saying, oh baby, I'm in love. I'm in love. Cold, cold blood. I'm in love. Cold, cold blood.
Starting with the exterior of the home, as soon as you pull up, the first thing you do, you step foot onto this beautiful driveway. This is a stamped concrete driveway that is actually temperature controlled. So this has a snow melt system. So that way when it snows, you don't have to shovel snow anymore. And then you also have, to my left, 4-car garage with the garage doors that complement the house really nicely. To my right, and all over the house, you have this stunning landscaping you'll see in the backyard as well. The exterior of the home, as you can see, has stone cladding, and you have these large pillars at the entryway, giving it a very grand feeling. Speaking of which, let's head inside and take a look at the interior. So when you step foot into this 2-story foyer, the first thing you notice, as you saw, was the chandelier that is absolutely stunning. And then you have these double staircases that lead right upstairs, which we're gonna cover in a second, but let's go check out the office first. Welcome to your office. It has warm tones, which I really like. You have your wallpaper that complements the space really well, and wall sconces as well. Coffered ceilings up above with the pot lights. And then you have, check this out, this molding on every window. Overall, a very nice space, very relaxing space to come and work. Now we're gonna go across the hall and check out the formal dining room. This is my favorite room in the house. This is your formal dining room. There is a lot to unpack here. You have this gorgeous table right in the center with 10 seats to host guests. You have tray ceilings up above with these decorative chandeliers. And on my right, you have a bar with some cabinetry as well and a mirror. And on my left, you have these large windows and wall sconces all around as well, illuminating the space. Now we're gonna head across the hall, but I wanna show you the hallway itself because the hallway looks stunning. You have wall sconces on the hallway and it just adds to the grand feeling as you walk down the hallway. And now to the right, you have your living room. This is your informal living room. You can come here, watch a nice movie. You have these windows bringing in a ton of natural light, as you can tell, and you get the nice lake view back here as well. Overall, a very cozy space to kick back after a long day. Now let's go check out the dining room and the kitchen. So to my left, you have your dining room. This is where you can have your dinner and chop it up with the family and the late night conversations that hit different. And then to my right, you have this space here. You could put a couch here. That way, let's say you're out on the lake swimming or in the patio, you can come in, dry off here, sit and relax, take your shoes off. So you have this space as well. And then you have these large windows, this bay window here, again, facing the backyard with a beautiful view. Now let's take a look at the kitchen. As soon as you walk in, the first thing you notice is this huge island right over here. You have all Viking appliances. You have an oven, you have your stovetop and a hood vent up above and bar seating on this island as well. And then to my right, you have plenty of cabinetry space, a lot of space up here as well on the granite countertops, a sink with a window view. It's actually, you can see out to the lake while you're doing your dishes. You have another Viking appliance. You have your dishwasher and your fridge and microwave as well with more counter space. and that covers your kitchen. So as you take this hallway down, you have your pantries on the right side here, 2 large doors that open up, plenty of storage space for food. On the left, you have a half bathroom, and on the right, you have another laundry room, 1 of 2 laundry rooms. Now let's go take a look at the 4-car garage. This is your 4-car garage. You can park 4 cars here comfortably. This is a massive truck, and it's parked here comfortably. Front and back, you still have space. You have high ceilings as well. And one of the coolest parts of this is the garage is actually heated. You also have these really nice floors that seamlessly transition right into that stamped heated driveway. Now we're at one of the coolest places in the house, the great room. This is your great room, and it really lives up to its name. You have a seating area here in the center. You have super high ceilings. You also have this whole wall, which is pretty much windows, bringing in a ton of natural light. And this is actually the west side, so there's gonna be beautiful sunsets illuminating this room. You also have a marble fireplace heating up the space right over here. And I really love this feature at the top with the pillars and the statues. Really love how they did that. Now we're gonna cover the primary bedroom. This primary bedroom has wood floors down below. Up above, you have the tray ceilings and this beautiful chandelier. There's plenty of space in this primary bedroom. You have this huge, grand, queen-size bed right at the center of it all. And you also have a walkout patio that leads right to that backyard as well. There's 4 fireplaces in this house, and one of them is right in this bedroom. To my right, you also have your primary bathroom. Take a look at this. So in this primary bathroom, you have this large vanity here with the corner mirrors. You have light fixtures up above that are absolutely stunning. A lot of the light fixtures that I've noticed in this house look like they belong outside, but they have them inside, which I absolutely love that. You have a large tub over here with a window view. You also have your private toilet right over here. And then you have this large walk-in shower. I mean, take a look at how large this is. I feel like I do this in all the $1 million homes. I still can't touch the sides. This space complements the bathroom really, really well. You have your dark tones, you have your gold tones. Absolutely wonderful. You also have another vanity right over here with your black countertops, a huge mirror, another light fixture right up above. Very nicely done. There's also a massive walk-in closet here as well. Let's go check it out. This is your walk-in closet. You have plenty of space for shoes. You have plenty of space for clothes here as well. And one of the coolest parts is this whole wall here is a mirror. So you can take amazing selfies here. Now we're gonna head upstairs to take a look at the other bedrooms. Those double staircases that you saw earlier lead up to this magnificent hallway. And you can actually see on both sides, you have your great room view on the left, and on the right, you have your foyer and your chandelier. Now, this hallway leads to 2 bedrooms on this side. Let's go take a look. So this is your second bedroom of the home. You have wood floors down below. You have pot lights on the ceilings. You have these large windows facing the front of the house. They've decorated this as a nursery, which looks super, super cute. It also comes with its own full bathroom and a walk-in closet as well. Let's go across the hall, take a look at another bedroom. This is your third bedroom of the home. You have the wood floors on this bedroom as well. You have your own fireplace. You have these large bay windows here with a nice lake view, and this comes with its own balcony as well. Let's take a look. Guys, this weather, this view is stunning. Imagine coming out here after a long day. You can even come out here, read a book, have a nice conversation with a friend, and enjoy this beautiful view. You have the water literally 30 feet away from you, right at your fingertips. And this is your first balcony. There's another balcony in another room across the hall. Let's go take a look at that. As you walk down this side of the hallway, you have your laundry room here to the left, which is one of 2 laundry rooms as we went over before. And then to my right, you have another bedroom. This, as I would like to say, is my childhood bedroom. This is exactly how I would do it. You have the wood floors here as well, and plenty of space. This comes with its own full bathroom and walk-in closet. And the balcony that I was mentioning earlier is right through those doors. Right through these doors is another really cool room. Why go to the movies when you have your own movie theater? So watching movies is one of my favorite things to do. You have 7 seats in here that you can kick your feet up and relax. These are all recliner chairs. You have movie theater carpet down below. You have this huge screen and ambient lighting on the wall sconces, making it a perfect environment for watching movies. This is your 6th bedroom of the home. Feels like it keeps going forever, right? You have wood floors here as well, plenty of space in this bedroom. As you can tell, this is a huge bed and you have pretty much space to put another bed here. You have large bay windows on this side here, again, facing the front, bringing in a ton of natural light. You have a storage space, a tanning bed in this room. And this bedroom also comes with another half bathroom right over here. This half bathroom has a standing shower. You have your vanity as well, and then of course the toilet. You also have another space right over here. This you could treat as like an in-law suite. You have your gym here to the left. You also have a secondary kitchen with this massive island and all the appliances you need for cooking and hosting guests. And then this is the 7th bedroom of the home. Same wood floors here. Again, plenty of space. Every bedroom has plenty of space here to put furniture. You have these corner windows on both sides with the lake views. And this bedroom also comes with its own bathroom as well, with a corner tub, dual vanity, a standing shower, and a private toilet. So that covers the upstairs. Now let's go outside. We're gonna go to the backyard and take a look at that patio. Guys, where do we start? Take a look at the back of this house. You have stone clad all on the back of this house as well. You have this seating area right over here with a fire pit right in the center to cozy up the space. Speaking of cozy, you also have a jacuzzi here to my left, great for throwing parties. And you have the balconies on both sides, but take a look at what's under the balconies. So on both sides, you have this space where you can put a grill here like they've done here. Up above, you have a ceiling fan to cool off the space in the hot summer days. You have pot lights in the actual ceiling itself built in to the inlaid wood. You got plenty of space in the backyard and in the side yard as well. Great for hosting barbecues, grad parties, or even playing football as well, right next to the water. On the back of the house and the side, you have a docking station so you can park your boat back here, and you also have a water trampoline and a slide. Great for the summertime on a hot day, enjoying a nice swim in Lake Fenton. So that's it for the home tour, everyone. We hope you enjoyed it. We really appreciate all the love and support. I do want to thank Felicia Lore from Tremaine Real Estate for letting us tour this listing. And make sure you subscribe to our YouTube page so you don't miss out on any future videos. We hope you enjoyed it. We'll see you next time.